Hey everybody, Sean Gavin, RHG Products. I want to take a few minutes and reintroduce you to the Fill and Go for 2019. Now the Fill and Go systems have been out for a few years now, but we've got some nice improvements for 2019. If you're not familiar with the system, I'm just going to go through it real quick so you have an understanding of how it works and what it does. So basically the Fill and Go system is a 4-stage water purification system with a built-in water holding tank and delivery system. This unit here is set up for dual users, so there's 2 reels. Each operator has their own reel and their own hose. This is the inlet to the machine. So garden hose inlet right here. Feed the machine with tap water from the house or the building. There's a pressure gauge mounted on the inlet so you can understand your inlet pressure. You've got a sediment pre-filter, a carbon pre-filter. From there it goes into our boost pump. The boost pump has a boost gauge mounted to the outlet of it so you can understand the boost pressure of the pump when it's on. From there it travels into the RO membrane, then on to the DI. So 4 stages of purification. The sediment and carbon take out large debris in the water as well as any chlorine, and the RO removes 90% of the mineral content in the water. The DI polishes the last 10% or so of the mineral content in the water. From there, the water ends up in your holding tank. There's a bypass valve right here built into this end of the unit. This controls the bypass water from the RO membrane. So that's the purification side of things. I'm going to slide the unit just a little bit here so you can see the face of the delivery side a little bit better. So this is your delivery side of the system. You've got a TDS meter, which monitors the water quality that the system is producing and putting into your holding tank. You've got your on-off switch for your boost pump over on the RO side. The system will make water and fill the tank without the boost pump on, but when you turn the boost pump on, it essentially fills the tank a lot faster in the event you are running dual operators and you're using more water than the system can keep up with without the boost pump on. So turn the boost pump on, it will make more water, more gallons per minute into the tank and keep up with the operators. We've got delivery pumps. Each operator has their own delivery pump and digital flow controllers. Now these digital flow controllers are an upgrade from prior models as they have the new long-range remote. There's 4 buttons on this remote. 1 button turns the pumps on and off. 1 button turns the pumps up. 1 button turns the pumps down. And the other button is recalibrate. So if you ever need to recalibrate the pump controller and the pump, but you're 200 feet away or so, you just hit the button and it does it from long range. What's nice about the new remotes is that you can dial in the configuration at the machine, but then when you walk away, say you're working at 60 feet, you might need more volume, more pressure than your partner who's only working at 20 feet or 15 feet. So you both have the ability to turn up and down your pump and your flow based on what you're doing at the windows, not what's going on at the machine. So the Cox hose reels are an upgrade for 2019. We've gotten away from the reels we were using before, as well as the flow controllers. All the hoses are new higher pressure hoses on the system, and we have gotten away from the float valves. We were using a float on the system, Hudson, but we had a number of issues where the float would fail. So we've gotten away from it being standard equipment. So you simply need to keep an eye on your tank level as you fill. We'd rather not have it on there than have it on there and have it fail. So it is something you can upgrade. It's easily added if you as the end user want to add it. But from a manufacturing standpoint, if it doesn't work all the time, we certainly don't want to have it on there as standard equipment. So that's the system in a nutshell. This is available in a dual user as well as a single user model. You can find more information at rhgproducts.com. Thank you very much.